This video is a step-by-step guide teaching you how to calibrate your L5300 and L5200 industrial handheld moisture meters. To calibrate your L53 or L5200 in the field, verify that your serial number on your on-demand calibrator matches the serial number in your meter's battery compartment. On a non-metallic surface, place the calibrator on its legs and power on your meter. After powering on your meter, press the three-line menu button. Use the directional pad to navigate to, find, and select the calibration menu option. With the calibration option open, place your meter on the calibrator, ensuring the meter sensor pad is securely seated in the recessed area. Once the meter is seated, slightly move the meter from front to back and side to side. This verifies the L5300 is seated correctly on the calibrator. When properly seated, apply light downward pressure and press the three-line menu button 3 times. The meter's LCD screen will flash, reading, indicating the L5300 is going through the calibration process. Once calibration is complete, the meter screen will display lift meter in air for 5 seconds. Quickly lift the meter into the air for approximately 5 seconds until calibration complete appears on the display. Finally, hit the save button and return to the main menu. Calibration is fairly uncommon, depending on the type and amount of use of your meter. Wagner Meters ships all moisture meters with 100% accuracy and at factory set calibration, making your industrial meter ready for immediate use.